Have you ever tried to save money only to end up wondering, where did it all go? You're not alone. Saving money feels impossible for millions of people. And today, we're breaking down why and the one strategy that actually works. Let's be real. Most of us want to save money. We open a savings account, maybe start a budget, and promise ourselves, this time I'll stick to it. But then, life happens. You grab takeout after a long day, a friend invites you out, you buy that one thing online you didn't plan for. Suddenly, your savings are gone, and you're back at zero. It's not that you're bad with money, it's that your brain isn't wired to save easily. Saving feels like losing something now to gain something later, and our brains hate delayed rewards. Here's the truth. Money saving isn't just math, it's psychology. Our brains are wired for instant gratification. Spending gives you a quick dopamine hit. It feels good. Saving, on the other hand, feels boring. There's no reward right now, so your brain doesn't care about future you. That's why willpower alone never works. You need a system that saves automatically, before your brain can get in the way. The first strategy that finally works is called pay yourself first. Before you pay your bills, buy groceries, or even think about spending, you pay you. Here's how. When your paycheck hits, automatically transfer 10% or even 5% to start into a separate savings account, one you don't touch. You can set this up through your bank or an app in less than 5 minutes. Why it works? It removes the decision making. You never feel the loss because it's gone before you notice it. And over time, you build a savings habit without even trying. Now, to keep your brain happy, you need small wins. Try this. Use a visual tracker or an app that shows your savings growing in real time. Even a simple progress bar makes your brain feel rewarded. When you can see your money working for you, saving starts to feel like a game, and that's when it sticks. Finally, give your money a purpose. Don't just say, I want to save more. Say, I'm saving $1,000 to travel next summer. Or, I'm building a 3-month emergency fund. When your goal is emotional and specific, you'll naturally find ways to make it happen. So remember, saving money feels impossible because your brain is fighting for instant rewards. But when you automate your savings, make progress visible, and connect it to something meaningful, everything changes. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's struggling to save. And tell me in the comments, what's the hardest part of saving money for you?